welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Zone, where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get good profit. So today I'm here with a brand new project that I want you all to know about. So let's begin and move to our website to know more about the project. But before we proceed, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, so today in this video we are going to talk about Ape and Peep. This is new meme coin. If you have went through some meme coins, so you would be disappointed by some fake coins, but this is not fake. This is a real meme coin. Unlike many fake meme coins, it is driven by the power of the community and it is fully prepared for success. There is no end to the top. This consists of Ape and Peep mixture. With the power of Ape and Peep, we are trying to reach a new normal. So this is a Peep. So the first thing you are going to see on the website is their social links. You can find their Twitter link here, the Telegram link, then you can check the text chat tool, and this is available on Uniswap, so you can buy the token from there, and soon they are going to list this token on different exchanges, so you'll be able to buy from there as well. But now you can get this from Uniswap, and here we have link to text chat tool. And then also you can join them on Twitter and Telegram to find all the updates about the project, and if you have any query about the project you can ask them there. So here we are to the desk tool, and we can see the ranking, the liquidity, market cap, everything of Ape and Peep here, the 24-hour volume, etc. So you can check the recent transactions as well. Alright, so here we can see the score of a Peep, that is 99, and the contract is verified. The buy and sell text is 0 as well. So this is great. Now let's come to the process of buying this token. So if you want to buy a Peep, first of all you have to install MetaMask from the App Store or Google Play. Then you have to deposit Polygon to the wallet. You can buy it from the exchange or directly from MetaMask. Then connect your wallet by accessing the link above or PancakeSwap. Check if the contract address is a Peep. Then enter the amount of BNB to trade with a Peep, and there is no text, so you can usually set the slippage to 0.01 or 0.10 in the settings. Now let's discuss the tokenomics of a Peep. Here we can see their total supply, and they have preserved 70% for the airdrop, and circulating supply is 10%, CX 10%, and reserved is 10% as well. Then here we have the burn address. Now let's talk about a Peep community. A Peep memes are driven only by the power of community. Depending on the unity of Peep community members, the price may go up endlessly. Don't be fooled by fake meme coins whose price is controlled by the developer. A Peep allows members to form a community and receive rewards as well as staking. To know more plannings of the Peep, you can go through their roadmaps. Their step 1 was for DEX listing, then coin market cap listing, community opening and activation, community airdrop, and then step 2 CX listing, step 3 is 1-tier exchange listing, and top of memes. We can see some of their partners as well. So they do have huge partnerships with MetaChain, Coinom, Hotscoin, HashKing, and many others, which you can check on their website. Okay, so this was our project for today. Let me remind you once again that you can buy the token from Uniswap. This has been listed on Uniswap, and soon they are going to list this on other exchanges as well. I'll drop the website link in my description, which you can access to check out the project, do your own research, check out their audit reports, and then you can invest in this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you.